All right, everybody, Sylvia here. Welcome to Travels by Trike. I'm in Portland today, and I'm going on a ride with my Portland posse. Here we go. Dave and Lonnie, Edna, Dan from Spokes Fighting Strokes is with us, and Ron. And we are going to be riding up the Springwater Trail today and maybe stopping for some bagels. We'll see. So, all right, come on, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Okay, we're rolling. Here we go. On the Springwater Trail. This is one of the oldest trails in Portland. And we've got little Ivy with us. Ivy is a new puppy for Dave and Edna. And Ivy got skunked yesterday, so she's very clean today.
Good morning.
Morning, honey. Nice to see you.
What a beautiful day.
Absolutely gorgeous out here. So the Springwater Trail that we are on, the Springwater Corridor, is a rail trail, and we are headed towards Gresham. We're going east, and it's just a little bit uphill, maybe 1-2%, and it's not really that noticeable when we're going east, but when we turn around, oh, it feels like we're going so fast. And even though it's a beautiful, beautiful day, it's a bit hazy, and probably can't see, but Mount Hood is directly ahead of us. Maybe you can see the point of the mountain there in the center of the frame. Might get a better shot later, we'll see. Here comes Dave on his gold rush. So this is Dan Zimmerman, and he has an organization called Spokes Fighting Strokes. And I'm going to put a link to his website in the description of this video. But he has like a trailer full of trikes, and he drives all over the country and lets people try them and helps people, show people what they can do even after having a stroke. And it's just a really wonderful organization that he has, and he's been doing it for a long time, and he's just a really, really, really good guy. And it's fun to have him in Portland, and he is here for Mel's Trike Fest, Recumbent PDX Trike Fest, so he's going to have a lot of trikes there.
And cat trike coming.
Yeah, cat trike, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so it's a big cat trike event. Oh, that's right, Mark's going to be here.
Yep.
Yeah, Mark, one of the
Yep.
owners of Cat Trike, is going to be at Trike Fest. Yeah, and that's this weekend.
Next weekend.
Next weekend. Next weekend, right. Well, we got some more trikers joining us. Is it Randy? Randy? And Bill.
Look who we found.
Yeah, look who the cat dragged in. We got Bill on a cat trike.
Good
Right?
morning.
Good morning. How are you? Yes. And then Randy.
Hi.
Hi there. How are you?
We're doing good. Fun.
And you're on a Scorpion.
Yes.
How's your new one working out?
This one?
Yeah.
How you doing,
Been great so far.
Yeah, we've got a growing group here.
Isn't it though? Yeah.
So, hi Bill. Can I tell everybody how old you are?
Yep.
Are you 93?
Nope.
92,
Nope,
94.
nope.
How old?
Well, say July I'll be 97.
97. Oh my God.
So,
Oh,
pardon me.
oh,
I can't even remember.
oh, that's so
96.
awesome. You are so amazing. It's so inspiring. And I'm just so impressed. Hi, Hand Cycle. Hi there. Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, so you can see Dan's got a flag. Stroke awareness. Spokes fighting strokes.
I have 17 trikes in my trailer.
Oh, he's got 17 trikes in his trailer with him. That's amazing. Yeah, so he'll just set up his trailer at different places and let people try out trikes. Get them fitted and show them what it's like, show them what's possible. Hello, Missy. Little skunk dog. Yep, we're passing.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi there. That's quite a bike you got there.
Thank you.
That looks cool. You just never know what you're gonna see out here on the spring water. Our turn across the street, following a little ivy. Here we go, parking with the trikes. See, look how he has his batteries. This is Randy. He's got his batteries behind the seat on his Scorpion. All right, so we are just leaving Jazzy Bagels. Got full bellies. We're all fueled up. And heading across this busy Powell Boulevard back to Main City Park in Gresham. And there's a few people that are gonna continue on up to Boring. It's another 5 miles on the trail But the people that I'm riding with, David and Edna, are going to head back. So I'm going to go back with them. And so we're going to part ways here with some of the group. But I think we ended up with 8 people for this ride. So, Bill, you're going to continue on?
Yep.
Yeah, because that's kind of where you live, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. You and Randy. Yeah. Well, really nice riding with you guys. You take care, okay?
You take care too.
All right. And we're going to head back now. And it's all downhill from here, so we're going to be much quicker going back than we were going to lunch. But so far, I've got just about 20 miles. So it'll be about 40 miles round trip. Yeehaw! All right, so we are back at the trailhead where we met everybody. And it is not the end of the ride for me, Dave, and Edna, but we are gonna say goodbye to Dan just for a few days because I'm gonna see him at Tater Tot. Look at how cute this car is. Oh my God, this is amazing. So Dan is going to be at Trike Fest next weekend, and I'm going to put a link in the description for Trike Fest if you want to learn more about that, as well as Dan's organization, Spokes Fighting Strokes. Well worth checking out. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. The man's had a stroke, and he manages. He has a system.
Thank you.
How cool is that, huh? That's really, really something else. Yeah, Dan's an amazing guy. Really amazing. Okay,
Riding.
we're riding. We got Dave on his Gold Rush. And we got Edna and little Critter. I mean, it's not Critter, it's Ivy. It's the new Critter.
I think I call her Critter half the time.
Do you? She's just so cute. Look at her. She's just resting her head.
She's going to start thinking her name is Critter Ivy.
Yeah, Nardy. Look at that little face, huh? Just look at that little face. What a little sweetheart. Oh, she's coming up. Yep. Kind of a sneaky little neighborhood route here. We're almost back to where we started. Ivy says we're really close to home, I can tell. And then here's a little neighborhood path. Seems like it's a dead end, but not for bikes. All right, here we are. Back at David Edna's, and my truck and my trailer are here. It was very nice of them to let me keep my trailer here while I'm in Portland. So we just had a really, really fun ride with our Portland posse and with Dan, who's visiting. And we just had a really lovely, lovely day. The weather was fantastic, and even little Ivy enjoyed the ride in her basket. So, all right, you guys, thank you for a nice ride.
Mwah.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Big hugs. Thank you, you guys. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you next time.
Get strikes.